Good morning, friends. Today you guys will be generating more letters. But first, I'm going to teach you another thing that you can have an opinion on, which is the pictures. Pictures can tell us things when words don't. We can learn from the pictures and we can have opinions about the pictures. Notice the pictures. Parts of the books are often told through pictures. Looking closely at a picture can tell us more about the story, about the character, the plot, conflict, resolution, any of that, which allows us to have more opinions. I'm going to observe this page of Jambari closely. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger for us. We know this is one of Miss Stein's favorite pages in the book. Now it says his toes curled over the edge. Awesome. Something that I notice in this picture is that it's an aerial view, which means we are looking from Jabari's eyes. So we're looking down, and I know that Jabari probably feels really scared. I also know that this makes it really, really high. Okay, and my opinion about this is it just makes him even braver to reach after something that he's afraid of. I can also kind of feel the nerves. And I can relate. I've also felt nervous how he feels. But it's like it's zoomed out, and we know his toes are curling over the edge. That's what the words say. But do the words say, look how far high up this high dive is? No. Do they say, oh, he's so nervous, that's why he's looking over and hasn't jumped yet? No. That's where our pictures can tell us more, and we can have a more opinion. He was very brave. And then this shows how high the diving board actually was. So today, you can also find your title interesting. Jabari Jumps. So you can have an opinion about your title of your book too. All in all, to recap, we can have lots of opinions about our books. We can have opinions about the characters, the pictures, and the title. Okay, we're going to focus on these three first: characters, pictures, and titles. Now, when you are making a new letter, I want you to continue to generate those letters, paying attention to the pictures. You can write a brand new letter to even the same person. Make sure you use every part of a letter that you know, having the dear whoever with a comma, and then introduce your book, explain why the pictures might be different and have more opinions, and maybe why the title. Okay, you're going to be generating more letters, so you don't have to stick on just one. You can write more and more and more. And again, does it matter what type of paper you use? Nope. Enjoy writing.